Kriegen sich wie immer in die Haare. Heute Nigeria gegen Somalia. Let's go, man. Drei.
Ready to attack now, pulling the parking lot, slow the back down. Convicts got the whole thing packed now. Step in the club, the wardrobe intact now. I feel it, don't it crack now. Who I see it's all at the back now. No problem, I'm full of that now. I feel you creeping, I can see it from my shadow.
Aber Daniel gewinnt!